Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In this today's tutorial guys, I'll be showing you how I achieved this lovely individual crochet, as in no cornrow crochet. So guys, keep watching, do not skip, so that you won't miss any single step of doing this lovely crochet. So guys, let's jump into the tutorial. This is the hair I'll be using. As you can see, this is one pack and I'll be using 5 packs of this braid. So first thing, you need to achieve the hairstyle on a clean hair, which I've done to this my client's hair. The hair is washed already and moisturized with a cream, and after that you just go ahead and you begin to section the hair, and that's what I'm actually doing. So you use box braid method. If you wish, you can use any parts, but this particular one I'm using box braid method. I find it more lovely and easier for me why I'm using this method. So I'm recommending this box braid method for you. You guys will love the outcome. So guys, after parting the hair, you just go ahead and you braid the natural hair. If you wish, you can twist, but this particular one I'm twisting it. So I love using both method, braiding and twisting. So you can also learn something different. If you are used to braid, I'm showing you guys that you can actually use twisting method. So keep watching, do not skip. So guys, that's how you keep braiding the natural hair using box braid method. So if you wish, you can braid the whole hair down, as in the natural hair, before installing the crochets. So anyhow you want it, but to me, I love doing it because it's something I do every day, so I know how to part the hair. Just make sure you count the crochet braid, so that you won't be stranded while you are trying to fix it. Make sure you count it before you start fixing. So now guys, what I'm trying to do here, I'm trying to pass the crochet into the natural hair, and then to secure it, to make it a knot. Can you see guys? Just watch carefully and you guys will love the outcome. So now after that, you just pass your crochet pin just to bring out the natural hair, to make it firm together with the knot. Yeah, can you see? So this is how it will look like. So after that, you begin to hide the natural hair inside the braid. So if you're doing this method, you need to take your time as a beginner. You don't rush yourself. You pass the pin. Can you see where I'm passing the pin? Make sure you pass it under, then you use it to bring the natural hair out, and then you pull it. Can you see? Drag it gently so that you won't scatter the whole crochet braid. So you drag it gently, can you see? Then you use your hand to smoothen it well. That's how you keep going with this lovely crochet installation. Can you see guys? So guys, if you love what you are seeing and if this video is helpful, please go ahead and give the video a big thumbs up. Share to your friends and family. As you all know, sharing is part of caring. So guys, this is how you keep doing the individual braid, as you can see. And after passing it, make sure the natural hair is not obvious, like you hide it properly. So can you see the ones I've done so far? The natural hair is not showing. Can you see? It's looking as if we braid it from the roots. So that's how you keep going. You use the same method. Can you see guys? Please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please don't forget to click subscribe button to join the family. Can you see, guys? That's how you keep going. Leave a comment in the comment section if you guys are enjoying this tutorial, and if the video is helpful, let me know in the comment section. And if you have any hairstyle in mind that you want me to do tutorial on, I keep saying it, let me know in the comment section. I'll be glad to upload your requests. Can you see, guys? That's how you keep going. That's how you keep going. So if you want to achieve a proper installation, don't make the natural hair too big. Don't make it too big. Can you see? Then you pass it through the braid and pull it out. Can you see, guys? Then you use your hand to stretch it. That's how you keep going. See, guys? That's how you keep going with this lovely crochet installation. Can you see? I also have another method in my YouTube channel. If you want to know how I do it, and if you are a beginner, you're looking for another method, please kindly check my YouTube page and you will see the videos there. Can you see? These are the one I've done so far. You can see, if you like, you can use shine and jam, but my client doesn't want any gel. So now I'm done with the hair. After that, you just go ahead and you trim the hair and apply your mousse. And that's all about this tutorial. If you wish, you can style it if your client wants, but this particular one, my client doesn't want me to style it. And you go ahead and control the edges if necessary. And this is the final look of the braid. Thank you so much, guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.